Congratulations! Now that you've got your new loupes in your hands, let's make sure you're seeing clearly and working comfortably. It is very important to adjust your loupes to work for you. This includes adjusting the nose pads, temple arms, and working distance. Let's start with the nose pads. Your nose pads can be adjusted in 3 ways for positioning and comfort. You can adjust the vertical position of your loupes by moving the nose pads together or apart. Bring the nose pads together to make the loupes sit higher. Spread the nose pads apart to make your loupes sit lower. You can adjust the distance of the loupes from your eyes by moving your nose pads towards the frame or away. Move the nose pads toward the frame to bring the loupes closer to your eyes. Move the nose pads away from the frame to push the loupes farther from your eyes. Finally, you can twist the nose pads in or out to adjust the fit and comfort on your nose. Adjusting your temple arms is important for all loupes, especially through the lens loupes. Not only does this affect comfort and fit, but more importantly, this determines the angle you see through the loupes and where your working area is. Making your temple arms straighter will adjust the working area away from you. Making your temple arms more curved will adjust the working area closer to you. Your loupes have been built to converge at a specific point. This is called your working distance, and yours can be found on your packing slip with your order. It's important for you to see clearly at or near your working distance. With our exclusive Vario working distance, you can precisely fine-tune the focus point of your loupes. To adjust this, simply twist the ends of your telescope. Shorten the telescopes to extend your working distance. Extend the telescopes to shorten your working distance. We recommend using the included neck strap to make sure your loupes are secure and comfortable. Clean your loupes regularly and store them in a cool, dry place. Click on the link below to learn more about how to clean and care for your products. If you're experiencing any issues with your loupes and have already made the adjustments discussed in the video, please call our solution team at 775-829-4488 and one of our agents can assist you further. Thank you for choosing LumaDent.